Miss Katie 01.
And Emily 2001 lives. Careful.
We've got cheap soda, but it is good.
It's 25 cents.
Woo! So where are we at?
Yeah.
Pickin'.
Save.
No, wait. Pickin'. Save.
Okay, that's just disgusting.
Yeah. So anyway, Emily, I'm going to be interviewing Emily 2001 Lips. Capital E. Anyway, Emily, what's it like being your second day on YouTube?
I haven't got any comments yet or subscriptions.
Search Emily 2001 Lips.
You should.
You should.
You need to.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. And by the way, check out our new talk show on Emily's channel. EC.
It's all both of them are capitalized, and it's EC Talk Show.
And it's for
We're talking to you. And
for middle school.
We're asking you a question.
And we
Yeah. We're asking a question to you, and you have to answer the question for us.
And also, we might give some advice to you for middle school.
Once we go. And maybe we'll start making videos when we're in middle school.
Yeah, but if the teachers caught us, we'd get a butt spanking.
They're not allowed to do that.
In the olden days, they could. Ruler.
Okay. That's not what it's for, but it's supposed to be on your knuckles.
Yeah, my mom got her finger slapped before.
Okay, off subject.
I know, but my mom's not even old. She's like 29.
Get it. It's still off subject. All right, guys.
Bye.
See you later.
Okay, Emily, do your ending. 2001 Lips.
Emily 2001 lives.